everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing a vlog style video. So I am going to pick up the kids from school, just the normal school runs, and I saw a promotion of an air fryer on Take a Lot, and guess what, I decided to buy it. So it got delivered this afternoon. So I'm going to pass through Take a Lot to go get the air fryer, and then I'll show you how the air fryer looks like. Okay, so I've just picked up the kids. Now we are going to Take a Lot to go collect the air fryer. I cannot wait. It was on promotion, and besides, as we get into summer, people like fried things. The kids love fried chicken, chips, and all that stuff. So the easiest way is getting an air fryer so that they can fry whatever they want. So yeah, hello kids, how was your day?
Good. My day was good.
Nice. I hope you had a fantastic time.
We did.
That's nice. That's nice. So we are here at Take a Lot, New Jersey. So that. So there we have the air fryer from Bennett Read. We are going to do an unboxing as soon as I get home, and then I'll show you I'll show you the whole unboxing thing, how the appliance look, and we will test the the air fryer to see how good it cooks. Right, kids? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Very excited.
What do you think we should cook?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. What else?
And probably rotisserie chicken.
We can't have two chickens. Okay, so maybe chicken and maybe some pastries, pie.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, cool. And some chips. Obviously, we need to.
Yeah,
we need to test some
potatoes.
chips. Yeah, so we do have potatoes, so we can try potatoes as well. So let's get home and we do the unboxing. Right, looks like we've got the air fryer. It's a Bennett Read. I've used Bennett Read before, and I think I've got a Bennett Read pressure cooker, a 6-liter pressure cooker, and I've had it for more than 8 years. It's almost 10 years now. That's why I chose this. Besides, I also loved how the air fryer looks. I love the black and silver, and also the digital parts. So super excited. But anyway, let's do the unboxing together. I hope I'm in the middle. Let's put this on the side. I'll actually use this to lean against. Okay, so let's get to it. So first of all, there's the usual, the manual. It's a 6.6 liter digital air fryer. So it's a 6.6 liter. It's not that big, but for our family, I think it's good enough. Okay, so inside here is the tray. I think this is like the tray for cooking. Let me try to zoom in so that you can all see what I'm looking at. All right, so now that we've taken care of that, so this is the manual. I think I had a very long shot, so probably couldn't see nicely. So it came with the manual, how to operate this. Yeah, I'll probably not read it. Then there's this tray. It was inside this sachet, so take it out and put it on the side. Then obviously this foam to secure the air fryer. Then let me just show you inside. This is what's left out. And then finally the air fryer itself. I'll put it here. Then inside here there's nothing more. There is only this foam, I think. So nothing more, it's just there to secure. And I mean, it kind of like, let's see if it looks the same as the box itself. So this is how the thing looks. Then it's exactly how the box presented it. So right, cool. So this is a Bennett Read 6.6 liter digital air fryer. All right, so now let's open and find out what's inside. Okay, let's remove this. So it comes with this plug for South Africa, or this the round plug. Comes with the round plug. Right, now that we've seen, let's open it. Okay, looks like it's not opening. Oh, there's some tapes here. So there's some tapes. So let's remove them together. Still it won't open. So let me try to use both hands. There's somewhere. Okay, there we go. This is how the inside looks. And this is how the inside also looks. All right, so now that we've unwrapped our air fryer, we can put this one inside like this. The other way. Okay, I think it doesn't. Okay, I think it goes like this. I hope I'm getting it correct. Plug in. So now let us plug in the air fryer. Right, there we go. I think I heard a beep. So there's options for, this is 180 degrees. There's options for chips, fish. So this is how the screen look. I realized that because of the reflection, it wasn't really showing nicely. This side is for temperature, at least according to how we tested it, in which I'll show you in the next coming clips. So this side is for temperatures. It is a soft touch. Just by literally passing your hand there, it will sense and it will feel your touch, and it will put on the right temperature. And this side is for time. So then also another thing, like I said, we're still learning. It's a new appliance, but it's pretty easy to use. These buttons, these buttons, they are not touch, they are just there to direct you on which program is running. So for instance, if you want to cook fish, you have to press on M, it will move to fish. Then you can add in your temperature and your time. So these are the programs. So if you want to choose a program for chicken, you also have to press M to pick the program that you want. So it comes with pre-set programs so that it's easy for you on a busy day. You just pick. This is for warming food. In the next clip, we'll be showing you how we tested the air fryer. We'll make some chips from fresh potatoes and a bit of chicken and a bit of pastries. Watch along as we show you how the food came out using this air fryer.
And I still see the skin.
It's okay. It's gonna be nice and crisp. You won't even see some of the skin when it's done.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just gonna try and drizzle some oil so that they can feel like they were fried on the stove.
Okay.
Okay. See how it's gonna go so that it's got that. Okay. Nice. Nice. On button.
It says 15 minutes when you see.
Oh yeah, it says 15 minutes. Okay, so they said we can make chips for 20 minutes. The chips button on these buttons.
This one.
Yeah, press it. Is it pressing? Let's see. Yeah, it did. Let's see. Why is it not pressing? Are they for decoration? None of them are pressing. Okay, but it's fine. Press the on button again. Nice. This is for temperature. Up to 200. Nice. Press up to 20. Again until it's 20.
It's
nice.
20.
Nice. The play button. Is there a play button there?
I don't know.
Looks like this. Looks like a play button. Yes.
Mama, I didn't even touch it. I didn't even touch it.
You didn't even touch it.
Yeah, but
It's so fast, eh? Super cool. So now
I can share. Yeah, go.
this is super cool. So now we wait, I guess. So it's still on preheat. I think it will be on preheat for 5 minutes. So let's see how it goes. We're going to the shops and we're back, and the air fryer is done. Thank you. Wow. Wow. Wow, that looks amazing.
Mommy, can I taste?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I also want to know how they taste. I hope sure they taste nice. They're nice. Ah, that's good. Let me just drizzle a bit of oil. Until it switches. Nice.
Yeah.
Until it's 200. That's temperature. Then we need to put time for, let's say, 25 minutes. 25. So put it back a little. until we get to 25. Nice. And then the play button. Well done. Alright, looks like it's done now. After so many.
Yes.
Wow. This looks so yummy, hey?
Mm-hmm.
This is so nice and crisp.
Hopes I'd be crunchy.
Yeah, so now we've got our chips. We've got our chicken.
Nice.
Yes.
Barbecue sauce.
Nice. Oh, we just need to shake it. Now let's go prepare our last, which is the pastries. So now that we've got our chicken and our chips from this air fryer, now I wanted to test the pastry, the baking, right? Tiny.
Okay.
So you can use milk or eggs. Nice.
I mean, like, milk is not bad.
Yeah.
But this one looks roundish.
Yes.
It's looking very good.
Very good, eh? Bam, 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 bam. Close. So for 25 minutes. 20. Nice. Play button. Nice. Oh, I thought I was gonna get a high five.
High five.
Boo, 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 boo. High five. Okay, let's check if our pies are ready. I know it's not yet done, but let's see. Wow.
Oh.
They look so nice.
And they even smell good.
They even, ouch.
Mommy, it's not that hot.
It's hot. Super hot. Let me
Told
do
you
this.
it's not hot.
Let me do. Oh, there's fat coming out. It's hot.
Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Can we eat?